what is it? My son used to say, here's the sign. The sign of, it's been way too long since I worked on the bus. I grabbed and set up the wrong panel. I wanted to wet sand the rear hatch. Started wet sanding the engine deck lid. So let's try this again. This, as I was saying earlier, was primed with the high fill 2K primer. And I should see that. Oh yeah. Amazing the difference. You can tell right away. Let's kind of skiff her up here. Get my hard glue. My squeegee. And okay, now we're in business. Panel's flat. The 2K primer definitely got some nice high fill on it. And again, kind of a test piece. Sometimes when you have a project that's like this bus, it's, I've had it 3-4 years, been working on it off and on 3-4 years. And sometimes if you take too much of a break, it's hard to get that motivation again, you know, get fired up about it. You know, especially for me, I gotta pace myself. I got bad legs, bad feet. Not really complaining, not looking for anyone to feel sorry for me. It's just the facts, informational. So what I do, I guess, I kind of visualize it. I visualize. You know, for me, I kind of imagine, you know, like the hourglass or the old egg timer. You know, you flip it over and let the sand gradually fall in the other chamber. That's kind of how my days start. You know, I get up, legs are nice, they've recovered, the swelling's down, they're comfortable. And I know, as the day progresses, especially if I'm on them too much, that old sand goes to that hourglass, and as it fills one chamber, it's kind of like my legs filling with sand, and they start to swell and get uncomfortable because of the lack of blood flow and surgeries I've had. So what I do is I adapt by pacing myself. When I know to kind of extend my fun time, now that I've did the lawn, you've seen the video of me getting the pork ready, the pulled pork up on my feet. What I didn't bore you with was cleaning the dishes and the kitchen up for that. But it was time up on my legs and feet. So now this was the perfect task. Notice sitting down comfortably, making progress, moving forward on the bus. Not bad, not bad. Let's squeegee this and see how we look. I'm kind of old school too. I prefer wet sanding. I went to a career center when I was 17 and took auto body, fender repair and collision class, and then I took automotive spray painting. Then, you know, back in that, you had lacquer, you had thinner, and you had thicker metal cars that a fender was worth putting time in to straighten. And so the one thing that stuck with me is wet sanding, using this squeegee block. Seeing where the highs and lows are at, you know, trying to get the panel straight. And actually, it's not let me down. I've still continued to get results I'm pleased with. So this, as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but nice, flat, I will move on and do this section, do the section around the windows, and like I said, turn you off. I don't think you want to sit here and listen to me talk on wet sand. I haven't mastered the talent of, you know, coming up a way of saying clever things, making this real entertaining. Other than 2K primer, I started out with 280 wet, went over it with 400. I'm going to use a polyurethane single stage paint, and after I get done with the paint, I still will put enough heavy coats on, I'll color sand it, then I will buff it, and we'll see what mouse gray and white looks like, and if it's the direction I want to go.